In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix payment method declined on the App Store. If you're seeing the message, your payment method was declined when trying to buy an app or subscription, don't worry. We'll walk through a clean reset of your billing and sign-in details that resolves the issue in most cases. Start by opening the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap your Apple ID name at the top, then choose Payment and Shipping. Give it a moment to load your billing information. Tap Edit, then remove Payment Method. Taking the card off your account first helps clear out any stuck verification or expired data that might be causing the decline. Next, go back to the main Apple ID page in Settings and tap Sign In and Security. Choose Change Password, enter your iPhone passcode when prompted, then create and confirm a new Apple ID password. This refreshes your account credentials, which can be important if Apple flagged a recent sign-in or if your old password is tied to a failed billing attempt. Return to Settings, tap your Apple ID name again, scroll down, and tap Sign Out. Confirm when asked. Signing out disconnects your device from the current session so we can start fresh after the next step. Now force restart your iPhone. Press and quickly release volume up, then press and quickly release volume down. Immediately press and hold the power button and let go when the Apple logo appears. This clears temporary system and account cache issues without erasing your data, which often removes the blockers behind payment errors. When the phone restarts, sign back in with your updated Apple ID password. Give it a moment to finish syncing your iCloud and App Store settings before moving on. Open Settings again, tap your Apple ID name, and go to Payment and Shipping. Tap Add Payment Method. Carefully enter your card details, billing address, and contact information, then tap Save. Be sure the name, address, and postal code match exactly what your bank has on file, and that the card number, expiration date, and security code are correct. Small typos are a common reason for declines, so take a second to double check before saving. Once added, your payment method will be re-verified and linked to your account. Finally, open the App Store and try making a purchase. In most cases, you'll be able to complete the transaction without seeing the decline message again. That's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more App Store tips and tutorials.